What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is going to be awesome. It's a little micro drift car with an FPV camera on it. That was a lot of work. All right, so open it up. First thing you got is a manual. You got some SNT turbos, looks like stickers. First thing you have is this little itty bitty little car and a super small FPV camera. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this out of here. Okay, they got a little keychain and a charging cable, it looks like. This remote has a tucked steering wheel in there. In the handle of the remote, you have a USB-C to USB-C connector, and then you got this little tray to put AAA batteries, or you can put a 18650 battery in here to charge it up. So, and the thing that I can tell you I like about this up front is that it has an SD card slot so that you can actually record. There is a record button on the top of this. So this is really good. There's a place here, USB connection here, which is a USB micro, which is rather surprising that they have a micro here, not a USB-C. And then you have a nice little card that tells you how to link to the car and everything that you need to do there. So thanks for stopping by and checking this out with me. Be on the lookout. There will be more on this awesome little car in the near future. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon.